Hey crafty friends, I'm going to reveal this terrific glammed up joy mystery box. It includes a gorgeous DREAM Ombré Cricut Cutie. As always, purchase and discount info is right below in the description of this video. You can find it there. Thank you if you use my affiliate link. I would earn a small commission, but never at any extra cost to you. So let's take a look at this fabulous mystery box. And here's the cutie. Isn't it gorgeous? It looks brighter in the video than it is. There's a lot of sun coming through in here today. The blue is actually a deep midnight blue. Very gorgeous. And we have a burgundy ombre. Isn't it beautiful? It first released last year in 2025, but it went super fast. So if you missed it, you'll want to get one today for your collection. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So let's see what else is included. We have Smart Iron-On in gold glitter, 5.5 by 19. Smart Iron-On in black glitter, 5.5 by 19. We have Smart Iron-On, 5.5 by 19 in aqua blue. These are so gorgeous. We have a Smart Iron-On matless heat transfer vinyl. These are 3 sheets of 5.5 by 12. And it looks like a very dark teal, gray, blue, and blue. Do they list the colors? No, I don't see the colors written out. But it's gorgeous. 5.5 by 12 each sheet. We have Smart Iron-On in gold, 5.5 by 24. Aren't these beautiful? We have 5.5 by 24 Smart Iron-On in a beautiful teal color. We have a Smart Iron-On sampler, each sheet 5.5 by 12. You have 3 sheets, black, white, and red. So practical, these colors. And then we have 5.5 by 12 Smart Iron-On sampler in black, silver, and gold. Gorgeous. Next we have amazing Cricut totes. These are the medium size, 13.5 by 14. I love this size. And you don't have just one, you have 2. Absolutely terrific. You can use all your beautiful new iron-ons on these. And last but not least, we have a pack of heat-resistant tape. 3 rolls. Let's see if I can open this. There we go. 3 rolls. They are the full-size heat-resistant tape, and you have a pack of 3. Terrific. So this is the Glammed Up Joy Mystery Box. As I had mentioned in the beginning, purchase info and discount info is in the description right under this video. I hope you're going to enjoy this mystery box. I know I will. And don't miss out on this gorgeous ombre cutie. Thank you for watching.